We will be participating in ACMEE in this next month, June. Chennai market is very important market for India. Mazak India is doing a lot of business for past 20 years, supplying machines for heavy machinery industry, automotive, as well as a new segment of aerospace and medical implants is developing. So I want to show the machines which can do metal cutting for medical as well as the multitasking machines which are important for these industries. As you know, we manufacture all kind of machines including turning, VMC, HMC and multitasking machine. So we have all kind of segment. Maybe automotive is a big market for Chennai, as well as heavy machinery components for engineering components is another market which is very good for us, and that includes of course oil and gas valves and then heavy industries. These are good customer base for us. Whenever we participate in ACMEE, we find a lot of new customers, and it is a good opportunity for us to interact with not only the buyers but the production engineers, production managers, maintenance managers. They can come to our booth and we can discuss technicality. So it is very important to participate in such exhibitions to demonstrate our technology to the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 customers, as well as the staff who is working in the factories, who cannot go to very big exhibitions which are outside the India. So it is our duty to bring the technology and be handy with those people. Of course, we will be demonstrating machines like Made in India Vertical Machining Center, multitasking machine and turn mill machines, and there will be live demonstration of all the machines, and we will be cutting the components and showing the capability the machine can give to all our customers.